Tyler Junior College proudly presents the Apache Marching Band. And music made famous by Panic at the Disco, Taylor Swift, and Britney Spears. The Apache Band invites you to sit back and enjoy In the Spotlight.
That I can't carry anymore, been waiting for somebody else to carry me. There's nothing else there for me at my door. All the people I know are who they used to be. And if I try to change my life one more day, there would be nobody else to save. And I can't change into a person I don't want to be, so
And now, we're going to bring it down. Way, way down. We invite you to vibe on these soothing and grooving tones. The tones of the saxophone.
Emily Dean and Bree Williams. Our color guard captains are Jess Jensen and Cindy Robinson. Our drumline captain, the Apache Punch drumline, is under the direction of Captain Brandon De Zavala. We have an amazing band staff here at TJC, Dr. Eddie Earhart, Mr. Bell, Dr. Danny Chapper, our Touch of Gold director, Jenna Hamill, our director of percussion, Mr. Tom McGowan, and our amazing band secretary, Miss Julie Crawford somewhere. Let's give them a round of applause for today. Guys, I'm director of bands here at Tyler Junior College. My name is Jeremy Strickland. Thank you guys so much for letting us come and perform for you today. I want to give a few shout outs, if that's okay. Since you shouted us out, we're going to shout you guys out. I want to say thank you to Brandon Brewer and his staff for allowing us to come play for Dave, for putting on an amazing contest for you guys. Thank you so much, Princeton band staff and band boosters. We thank you so much. Shout out to Seniors 2022. Where you at, Seniors 2022? All right. Shout out to you guys. If you like playing your instrument, if you like performing, if you might like making lifelong friends, we have a place for you in this band next year. A place for you right now. Shout out to the parents of those seniors of 2022. If you're worried about the rising cost of college education, we have scholarships for every single person on this field right now was getting the scholarship for performing for you today.